One of the primary goals of the job of a civil aviation safety inspector is to ensure that the traveling public in Canada is safe. Not only to ensure the pilots are trained to fly the aircraft, but the aircraft themselves are safe and fit for flight. My name is Lacey Scoggins. I'm a civil aviation safety inspector airworthiness at Transport Canada. Within Transport Canada, there are many different, I'll call them streams of civil aviation safety inspectors. Myself, I'm airworthiness, so I come with the aircraft maintenance engineer background. That is an aircraft mechanic. I was brought up by a dad who ran his own company, his own construction business, and he did a lot of his own mechanic work. He drove dump trucks, excavators, things like that, and I was actually brought up driving the same equipment. So that mechanic background was in my heart always, to want to work with my hands, to want to fix things, and to want to understand how things work the way that they did. So that's why I ended up taking my aircraft maintenance engineering course. When I got my first job here in Moncton at the airport, I worked for a small cargo aviation company. And I left the company in 2015 when I joined Transport Canada. But while I was with the company, I received my M1 and my M2 aircraft maintenance engineer's license and moved up within the quality assurance department of that job. Being a female aircraft maintenance engineer, I'm a minority. It's a male-dominated industry, and I think it's very important that women are given the visibility and given the chance. Outside of work, I take great pride in ensuring that my two younger daughters are shown that women can be successful in male-dominated industries. We always say, if you see her, you can be her. And it's really important for girls and women to see other women in jobs that they can strive for, whether it may not be the typical female job, but it's important for the visibility to be there. I've been very fortunate at Transport Canada. I've had managers that have seen my worth and known what I could achieve, and they've really pushed me to be a better inspector and just go for the goals that I want to achieve.